Welcome to Hyderabadi Authentic Recipes. Today I'll show you how to make authentic Hyderabadi Chakna recipe. I've taken here intestines of a goat. Wash the small intestine under the tap water and clean it thoroughly. Separate and clean the large intestine too under the tap water. Cut them into 1-inch pieces. We have the tripe here. We will boil the tripe to clean it. Add tripe to the boiling water. Keep for about 5 minutes. Take out and clean its skin. Cut into pieces. Here you can see I've cut the intestine and the tripe into pieces. Now add intestines and tripe to a pressure cooker. Add half a liter of water. Add 1 medium-sized onion sliced, 1 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon red chilli powder, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, half a teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon spices or garam masala powder, 1 tablespoon chopped coriander and 1 tablespoon mint leaves. Mix well. Close the lid and cook on medium flame till 2 whistles and on low flame for around 20 minutes. When the pressure subsides, open the lid. The tripe and intestines have tenderized well. I'll keep it aside. To another pan, I'll add 2 1/2 tablespoon oil, 3 small pieces of cinnamon, 3 slit cardamoms and 5 black cloves, 2 bay leaves. Stir for about 30 seconds. Add the tenderized intestines and tripe along with its water. 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon spices or garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon cumin or zira powder, half a teaspoon kebab or kebab chini powder. Add 1 1/2 tablespoon sorghum flour or jawar atta to a bowl. Add 1 cup water. Mix thoroughly. Add this paste to boiling intestines and tripe. Add 1 tablespoon chopped coriander, 1 tablespoon chopped mint leaves and 5 green chilies. Mix well. Close the lid and cook on low flame for about 10 minutes. Dish out and serve hot with naan ki roti, and few people enjoy it with plain rice too. Keep watching our videos, leave your valuable comment, please do subscribe to our channel Hyderabadi Authentic Recipes and do not forget to press the bell icon for the notifications of our latest videos.